So, how are you feeling today?
Yes, I'm feeling great. On top of, I'm hyped. I'm pumped up to have this conversation with you. It's been long time. It's been donkey years since we connected.
Hmm. And how is your vacation going? Summer vacation. I know it's your children vacation, but I can say it's your also
Yes,
vacation.
yes. Some little bit construction work is going at my home, and in the month of June, we are planning to go outside. Let's see. And I'm crossing my fingers. You tell me how's your days going? How's your health? Everything at your end?
Right now I'm feeling good, and my neck pain is also okay. That's why I'm doing
Great.
conversation with you. And if I talk about like
Mm-hmm.
my vacation, it is also good. We will go somewhere, but right now there is no plan. Where will we go?
Mm-hmm. And how is summer vacation? I mean, is it too hot?
Yes. Hmm.
Scorching. We are roasting like chicken, I would say.
And where is your children?
Okay.
How you engage your children right now? Like because they have no
Uh-huh.
holiday homework and they are enjoying their vacation. So what are they doing?
Right now, I'm in the bedroom and they are in the drawing room. They are doing their homework, holiday homework. They can do it by their own. I have instructed them that you have to do in that way. So they are doing. Whenever they feel stuck and they need my help, they come to me and they ask, Mama, please tell us what to do, how to do it. Then I explain them.
Hmm. So today I have a story for you, and our topic is also hidden in that story. Are you ready for it?
Mhm. Yes, yes, yes.
Once upon a time, there was a small village, and there was a young boy lived. His name was Rohan. Rohan was short-tempered.
Okay.
He was unable to control
Mm-hmm.
his, grief, his temperament.
Uh,
So he was losing so
mm-hmm.
many good opportunities. One day he
Okay.
met our old wise man. Then he said, "You should read this book, and then you should understand why self-control is mandatory for all human beings. Because if you are following
Mm-hmm.
these rules, so you can get so many opportunities." From that day,
Mm-hmm.
he read all that book. Then he understand. He was unnecessarily, showing his temperament. Then he learned how can we
Mm-hmm.
control our feelings, emotions, and short temperament is not good for our mental health also. And after that, everyone
Yes.
was liking Rohan. So my story is based on self-control. So what do you think about self-control?
Yes. Self-control, I would say it's an ability that how to control yourself in the toughest time. It is the ability to know to it is the ability to make you learn when to speak, how much you have to speak, and where you need to pull yourself together.
Hmm.
And on top of that, I would say it's a great virtues, right? If you have that quality self-control in you, then you will be able to achieve your objective, your life. It is not required to be vocal and expressive all the time. Sometimes you need to bite your tongue, sometimes you need to seal your lip. So it
But do
is
you
it is a
think
kind of
is
a
it
pause button
possible?
in your brain.
Do you think is it possible in every situation?
Of course, of course, it is important. First of all, it is a kind of a pause button in your brain, right? You need to understand that how to turn it on and how to turn it off. You need to learn that art. Let me just give you my example. I was like Rohan earlier. I was like Rohan. But what I did to get that self control in myself, I go for the yoga and meditation. But here I'm saying it is not fruitful for everyone because every individual is different from others. Everyone has each to their own. They need to find out their own, own walking style, own ideas to control yourself. Like I found meditation and yoga. Through this technique, through this method, through this, beautiful exercise, I learned to control myself. Or what you can do it, you can inculcate or cultivate, small habits. Because in one go, over the night, you will not be able to get that self control. You have to go with small habits. Suppose I have a habit to scroll down the mobile, right? I have a bad habit to just, go with the one reel, then another reel, continue with the reel. How do you control that, activity in your life? Today you promise to yourself that I will scroll my mobile for 5 minutes. Next day, promise to yourself I will scroll my mobile for 3 minutes. That's how you can decrease the
Mm.
time. Immediately is not going to happen. It takes time.
Yes.
So go with the small habit. At first time you will feel, oh, small habits are insufficient, not going to mark a purple patch. But let me just clear the air regarding small habits. Small habits have power to change your entire life. Because I always say you can't change your future, but if you cultivate good habits in your life, definitely you will change everything.
And after getting this quality, did you achieve anything in your life?
Yes, I would say I became calm and composed. I'm a Zen personality now.
Oh,
I
Jensen.
have, yes, Zen personality. I can listen people, and I have a control. I always turn on my button. Like I always say, I'm saying it. That self control is a kind of a button in your mind. So tell your brain, is it required to be speak? It is required to speak or not? So I know where to control or where I need to blurt out.
But like if we talk about like teenagers and youngsters, they are bickering with each other on small, issues. So, what is your opinion
Hmm.
regarding this? They
Yeah,
have no
it
self
is.
control on their feelings, their actions.
Hmm. There is a one. Yeah, there is a one word, particular word we use it for nitpickings.
Yes, nitpicking.
Yes, yes. And let me just clear the air regarding nitpicking means when you are paying too much attention towards unnecessarily things which are not required. Let me just give you example here. Suppose I created a drawing, right?
Mm.
And I'm saying, Tanya, I have created a drawing. So how is it? You will say, it's good. But if you can use blue color instead of red, then it look more better. It look more beautiful. And the background is little bit dull. Can't you feel, so vibrant color? Instead of encouraging to me, you are trying to picking my mistake,
Mm. Mm.
right? That
Intentionally
is
or
known as
sometime unintentionally, we are discouraging someone.
someone. Yes, and this is not a good habit.
Mm. Did you also, find that person in your life who is a nitpicker?
I myself, I myself. Why am I saying it? Let me just get off my chest here. You know, when I fall ill, then the charge of kitchen is goes to my husband. Right? He take care of all things of related to kitchen. And kitchen is something which is very close to my heart. When he did all the work, and I go to there, I check everything and tell my, oh, you did a great job. You cook a delicious food. But one thing is there. Can you please mop it again? It
Mm.
is also a kind of nitpicking. Someone is doing great things for you, right? And trying to provide you the helping hand. Instead of encouraging them, you are discouraging the person by poking him, by saying that, can you do it one more time? So earlier I was like that, but now I'm not nitpick person.
Do you think it's a good habit? Every time you are doing nitpicking, you are finding faults.
No, 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 it's not a good habit, but sometimes it is required.
Sometimes it is required, but there are some person who are insecure with your achievements. Okay. That time they are
Hmm.
finding some way how can we discourage that person. That time they are approaching
Nitpick start
these ways.
nitpick start when you compare the personality, when you compare yourself to the other person. That
Mhm.
is the first and foremost reason for it. Don't
Mm.
compare yourself. And
But in the family also,
I
like if you are preparing good lunch for your in-laws, in some families, I'm just giving one, example. Like she is giving
yes.
100% in her cooking skills,
Hmm.
but the MIL, FIL all are saying no. It is little bit salty. Okay. Sometimes they are saying
Ah, yes.
it not looks so good. It is not delicious. There are so many
Mm,
things they are again and again saying to their daughter-in-laws
mm,
also. That's why
mm.
I'm saying.
Yes, nitpicks is everywhere. Everywhere. Totally depend on you how you take it. If you take it in a constructive way, then you can, you will improve. You will develop a beautiful personality in you. If you are taking in a destructive way, then you will always ruin your personality. You will be in fallacy zone. You will not able to, satisfy the people, because we are not here to satisfy the people.
Yes, nobody is perfect.
Hmm.
But
Yes, of
suppose
course,
if
nobody is perfect.
somebody is again repeatedly nitpicking about your skills, your arts, so what kind of
Hmm.
approach do you follow that time? You show your
I
anger or any other thing
have.
you will show?
I will show nothing. I believe we all have beautiful curve.
Hmm.
Beautiful curve known as beautiful smile. We all have, right? If someone is poking its nose, and nitpickings, you can give a beautiful smile and you can listen from your one ear and let it go from your another ear.
Yes, simply we should ignore. This is the only way.
Yes, you can brush aside. Try to icing them out
Hmm.
completely.
Hmm. Yes, it is a simple way you should ignore that person. Otherwise, again and
You can
again, if you are doing conflict with that person, it's not good for your health.
Yeah, just smile it. You can give a beautiful smile. Like he don't deserve any kind of, validation for it.
External validation. Sometimes we,
Hmm.
need external validation, but nowadays all the things has been changed. There are so many
Hmm.
person every time they will show you you are not putting your 100% effort. Your, all the things are not looking so good. Every time they are just,
Hmm.
finding your faults.
Yes, I have a simple mantra for it. Just giving a beautiful smile and ignoring them. Like that, I am the CEO of my life. I am the CEO of my life, right? And, you know, deal the people like the way you want it to be, and accept the people as they are, and you know fire them, hire them, promote them accordingly.
Yes. And what do you
Don't
think
provide
about,
your
like, there are some
anyone.
person who have double face? We can say like wolf in the sheep's clothing. Okay. So what do you think these
Hypocrisy,
kind
we
of
can
person?
say hypocrisy, I would say. I was what was your question? Double
I
standard,
was
right?
saying like
Double.
there is one famous idiom, a wolf in
Hmm.
sheep's clothing. भेड़ की खाल में छिपा हुआ भेड़िया. What do you think?
Hypocrisy, right? Hypocrisy, right? So let me just give you example here. Pizza always confused me. Pizza depicts the human behavior. Pizza depicts the human behavior. When you receive it, it comes in a square box. When you open it, it becomes round. When you take a loaf of pizza, it becomes triangle. So people are like that only. Sometimes they are square, sometimes they are round, sometimes they are triangle. It is very difficult to understand them. So what I believe that always raise your antenna for it.
Yes. Never judge a people by their looks, their sweet talk. Every time you should use your
Hmm.
brain, some IQ also.
Yes, yes. You should have the spidey sense. Spidey sense, you have the ability to detect the danger. So develop that spidey sense in you.
So without taking name, did you ever find this kind of person in your life?
Multiple time, multiple time,
Okay.
multiple time.
Then how did you deal with that person?
See, I always say that I'm a vociferous person, outspoken person. I don't pull the punches. And I don't provide to that comfort zone for anyone. Never. But what I believe, if someone is showing me, his or her nature, I go, I believe in tit for tat.
Good.
I do the same thing. I do the same thing because this is my fight, I can fight my own battle. I have voice. I can raise voice for myself. And it is very important to show your teeth sometime. It is very important to show your nails sometime.
Yes. Sometimes it is really required. We should show.
Yes. We
Mm.
can't be like that, let bygone be bygone. No,
Mm.
right? It is very
Because
important. Speak for yourself because
if you are not giving befitting reply that person, he should or she should be
hmm,
encouraged. Again and again they will hit you.
yeah, that person will, trying to milk of this. That person will take the advantage of your personality.
Hmm.
And what I
Yes.
believe, what I believe, someone is betraying you. If someone is giving you toxic, then that person will give you toxic again. It is not mandatory to drink whole sea water just to realize salt. So beware.
Yeah, absolutely correct. So in the end of this conversation, would you like add some line for our viewers?
Some what viewers? Sorry, I didn't
My
get you.
viewers, your viewers, would you like to edit some lines, some quotes, some statements?
Yes, I would like to say one thing that be a CEO of your life, right? Be the master of your own universe.
Hmm.
Accept the people as they are. Place them where they belong to. Hire them, fire them, promote them according to your need. Don't need to give, there is no need to give them validation. That's it.
Wonderful, wonderful.